Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to extract audio from a video on CapCut. So let's get started. So if you want to extract the audio from your video, then what you can do is first of all open up your CapCut application in your PC. So after opening CapCut, now what you can do is just simply select a project that you want to extract the voice from. So to select a project, what you can do is just simply tap on create project. And after tapping on create project, now you have to tap on import and then select a project. So for example, I want to extract the audio from this video. So what I'll do is I'll just select it, and after selecting that, now you have to drag it and drop it in your timeline. So after dragging and dropping your video in the timeline, what you can do is just simply right click on that video, and after right clicking on that video, now you have to tap on extract audio. And after tapping on extract audio, now your video and audio has been separated. So in this way, you can extract audio from your video on CapCut. So that's it guys, this is how to extract audio from a video on CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.